Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a 5-liter oxygen concentrator. First, find a well-ventilated spot for your device, at least 6 inches from walls. Make sure the air filter is clean and in place. Then, connect the power cord to a grounded outlet. If your doctor recommended a humidifier, fill it with distilled water and attach it securely. Now, let's connect your oxygen delivery system. Take your oxygen tubing and firmly attach one end to the concentrator's oxygen outlet port. Then, connect the other end of the tubing to your nasal cannula or oxygen mask. Double-check that all connections are snug to prevent any oxygen from escaping. Also, ensure there are no kinks in the tubing. With everything connected, it's time to turn on your concentrator. Flip the power switch and allow the unit about 5 to 10 minutes to warm up. Next, adjust the flow rate dial to the specific liters per minute prescribed by your doctor. You should feel a gentle flow of oxygen from your cannula or mask. Always check the indicator lights for normal operation. Proper maintenance ensures your concentrator works effectively. Clean the air filter weekly with mild soap and water, then let it air dry completely. Replace your nasal cannula or mask as recommended by your healthcare provider, typically every 2 to 4 weeks. Always keep the concentrator at least 10 feet away from any heat sources or open flames for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.